Subscribe to HMTMCSE and click to bell icon.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi there, welcome back another video. This is Phpmyadmin from HMTMCSE.com. Today we are going to cover the opencart download and installation tutorial. Actually some of we know that opencart is a very popular e-commerce website building CMS. So we will see how do we install that opencart in our local environment. For that, we already wrote something in our site hmtmcsE.com. Here, prerequisite, that is prepare the environment for PHP development. If I go there, then here you will see the installation process of XAMPP and etc. Follow this prerequisite if not yet ready your PC for development environment. Let's begin the installation step. First, we need to download the opencart binary. For that, I am clicking on this link. It will bring me to the opencart site. This is the opencart site, and here the download button for the latest version. Now on the version 3 is latest. So if I click on this download icon, then the download process will start automatically. Okay. See, the download process is going on. Wait until the download process is completed. Okay, here we are seeing that download process is ongoing. After that, we assume that you already configured your XAMPP. If not, then please follow this link and do that. Download complete. When the download complete, we will copy this opencart version to XAMPP htdoc. I already copied this opencart version here in my htdocs directory from my XAMPP directory. Okay, so now I have to extract that zip file. Let me extract. Right click on here. You can use the WinRAR or 7-zip. My favorite is 7-zip, so I'm going here, then extract to this action I'm performing. It extracting, it taking little bit time. Okay, extract done. From here, we nothing needed from in this section. We only needed the upload directory. Okay, so I am just copying this upload directory, not copying, just cut here and going to paste here. Then I'm removing this directory and also this directory, and I'm rename the upload directory to opencart. Opencart. So it's done. Okay, now we have to create a database before the installation process will start. For that, I already added a link how do you create your database using Phpmyadmin. Here, this is the Phpmyadmin. If you not know about Phpmyadmin, then you can follow the link how do you get the Phpmyadmin. For here, we show that how you will create the database from the Phpmyadmin. For the XAMPP, I already installed XAMPP, that's why this URL will be allow me the Phpmyadmin. I'm clicking on here. You can see this is the Phpmyadmin panel. Now I'm going to create the database called opencart. Opencart. Okay, this is the collet. The default collet will be fine. The database is created, this opencart. Now what we have to do, we have to start the installation process. For that, I am going to localhost. See, this is the opencart directory. I am clicking on this opencart. What will happen? See, now it's showing us the license agreement. What our tutorial says, yeah, this will show us the license agreement window. Okay, if we have time, then we will read the whole agreement and then continue. I haven't much time, that's why I'm clicking on continue. In this section, pre-installation section, here you will see lots of things needed for opencart. Those are they marked here. Only two things missing, that is configuration and configuration. For that, our tutorial saying that there is a file called config.dst. We have to rename it to config. Okay, and also the config.dst we have to rename it to config. Let me go to our XAMPP directory here. Let's see that this is the config.dst. I am renaming it to config. And again I have to go to admin, then I have to rename it to config. Okay, config. Then if I reload that page, see the missing status is now writable. Okay, now I am going to click on continue. The GD extension needed to be loaded for opencart to work. Here the GD extension is not enabled in our XAMPP. Now we are going to enable this GD extension from our XAMPP. Let's enable the GD extension. For that, I am clicking on our XAMPP, and in this section I am clicking on config, then php.ini. This is the php.ini file, and I have to find the extension GD. That means extension equals GD. So we got that extension here. The extension is, I have to remove that semicolon from here and going to save from keyboard, Ctrl S, closing this. Let's reload. What happened? Still the GD extension not get. So we have to just reload the Apache. It will work, I hope. See, now the GD extension is green, so we can now click the continue. Okay, click the continue. This is the configuration panel. Okay, in this configuration panel we have to specify password, database name, port number, and the prefix. Here our password is always empty for the XAMPP, and our database name is opencart, right? Let me copy this opencart and put here in database name. The second thing is that we have to specify our password and email address for the login of this opencart administration panel. Here I am specifying my password is admin and email address is hmtmcse.com@gmail.com. Okay, everything seems okay. Okay, and it also says our tutorial, so I'm going to click that continue button. Let's see what it show us. It's doing some operation for installation. Yeah, the installation is completed. Now it's saying that don't forget to delete your installation directory. What was the installation directory? Okay, after providing those, click continue, wait until the process complete. Go to the directory and delete installation. Go to the directory and install a directory. Delete the install directory. That means in our opencart directory under the htdocs we got that install name directory. I'm deleting this directory from here, and if I want to go to the store, then if I click here, it bring me the store font, and if we go to the admin panel, then I have to click here, then it will bring me the admin panel. So how do I log in that admin panel? We have to specify our password. That means the username was admin and password also was admin. Okay, let's see what happened. It saying some important notification. Okay, that is that means it asking us to move our storage directory somewhere else. We are doing this. It's moving the storage directory in a different location. It take little bit time. Hope it will finish soon. The storage directory stored some information which related to opencart. Yeah, it's done. If I reload this panel, now you can see the administration panel of opencart, and you can create product, recurring profiles, etc., etc. This way you can easily create your opencart website in your local environment.
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.